कौन सी फ्लाइट में आए हो? Which flight did you come in?
Which flight did you come in?
मानो या ना, believe or not.
Believe or not.
तुम कहाँ थे? Where have you been?
Where have you been?
वहाँ तुरंत जाओ. Go there at once.
Go there at once.
ध्यान से सुनो. Listen carefully.
Listen carefully.
हालांकि वो बहुत थका था फिर भी उसने काम पूरा किया. Though he was very tired, he completed the work.
Though he was very tired, he completed the work.
रोहन इन दिनों अपने भाई के साथ रह रहा है. Rohan is living with his brother these days.
Rohan is living with his brother these days.
मैं आपका मुकाबला नहीं कर सकता. I can't compete you.
I can't compete you.
जरा मैं तैयार हो लूं. Let me get ready.
Let me get ready.
मैं जो कुछ कहूंगा तुम विश्वास नहीं करोगे. What I say, you won't believe it.
What I say, you won't believe it.
मैंने तुझे अपने बेटे की तरह पाला है. I've raised you like my own son.
I've raised you like my own son.
सब मेरे साथ थे. Everyone was with me.
Everyone was with me.
वो मुझे शायद दूसरा मौका न दे. Maybe, he doesn't give me another chance.
Maybe, he doesn't give me another chance.
उसे सफलता का पूरा भरोसा था. He was sure of success.
He was sure of success.
क्या तुम्हें अपने आप पे शर्म नहीं आती? Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
मैं 10 लाख रुपए कहीं न कहीं से लेकर आऊंगा. I will get 10 lakh rupees from somewhere or the other.
I will get 10 lakh rupees from somewhere or the other.
मैं जानता हूँ वहाँ रहना कितना मुश्किल है. I know how difficult it is to live there.
I know how difficult it is to live there.
उसने मेरे फोटो खींचे हैं. उससे कहो पहले वो मुझे दे दे. She has clicked my snap. Tell her to first give me that.
She has clicked my snap. Tell her to first give me that.
मैं मना नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I am not denying.
I am not denying.
सब ठीक है. Everything's fine.
Everything's fine.
ऐसा नहीं है. It's not that.
It's not that.
काश ऐसा कभी किसी के साथ ना हो. May this never happen with anyone.
May this never happen with anyone.
उसने मुझे धोखा दिया. He cheated me.
He cheated me.
मुझे नहीं पता गाड़ी में पेट्रोल कैसे खत्म हो गया. I don't know how the petrol got over in the car.
I don't know how the petrol got over in the car.
यह वही है जिससे मैं शादी करना चाहता हूँ. She's the one I want to marry.
She's the one I want to marry.
मुझे कुछ खाने को दो. Give me something to eat.
Give me something to eat.
वो खुद ही वहाँ गया था. He himself went there.
He himself went there.
क्या करूँ मैं इसका? What should I do with him?
What should I do with him?
रोहन ने कॉल किया. Did Rohan call?
Did Rohan call?
मैं आपसे मिलने को बेताब हो रहा हूँ. I am being impatient to meet you.
I am being impatient to meet you.
मेरा परिवार मांसाहारी है जबकि मैं शाकाहारी हूँ. My family is non-vegetarian whereas I am vegetarian.
My family is non-vegetarian whereas I am vegetarian.
वो मुंबई जा चुका होगा. He must have gone to Mumbai.
He must have gone to Mumbai.
अपना हिसाब कर लो. Clear your accounts.
Clear your accounts.
अगर तुमने घर से बाहर कदम रखा तो मैं तुम्हारे पैर तोड़ दूंगा. If you step out of the house, I'll break your legs.
If you step out of the house, I'll break your legs.
रो मत मैं वापस आ रहा हूँ. Don't cry. I am coming back.
Don't cry. I am coming back.
क्या मैं थोड़ा सा चख सकता हूँ? May I taste some?
May I taste some?
ऑफिस के अलावा और कहाँ जा सकता हूँ? Where else can I go except to office?
Where else can I go except to office?
जो तुम कह रहे हो सही है पर ये चोर नहीं है. What you say is right but he isn't a thief.
What you say is right but he isn't a thief.
तुम्हारी छोटी सोच है. You have cheap mentality.
You have cheap mentality.
कितनी बार? How often?
How often?
वो एक महान योद्धा था. He was a great warrior.
He was a great warrior.
वो पूछ रहा था कि. He was asking that.
He was asking that.
तुम मुझसे बात कर रहे हो या उससे? Are you talking to me or to him?
Are you talking to me or to him?
वहाँ बहुत गर्मी पड़ती है. It's very hot over there.
It's very hot over there.
मैं तुम्हारा साथ दूंगा, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. I will stand by you, come what may.
I will stand by you, come what may.
मुझे घुटन हो रही है. I am feeling suffocated.
I am feeling suffocated.
आज मैं बहुत बहुत खुश हूँ. I am extremely happy today.
I am extremely happy today.
मेरे साथ मजाक कर रहे हो क्या? Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
पुलिस क्यों आई थी घर पे? Why did the cops come home?
Why did the cops come home?
मैं आपसे माफी मांगता हूँ. I apologize to you.
I apologize to you.